watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Mohammad Abdul Mehboob, and I am going to explain you isometric view problem, that is square prism, and in that square prism you having a square hole, and this is the square prism having a square hole. So what is the question? I am going to explain you in detail. So how to draw this isometric view of a square prism having a cutout hole of 20 mm. So please guys, watch my videos till the end, and also share, like and subscribe my channel. And also after watching my videos, please practice by yourself, and please share my videos, like and subscribe my channel, and please also press my YouTube channel bell icon to get you the more notifications. Now I will start my question. Draw the isometric view of a square prism of base edge 40 mm and axis side 70 mm with a through square hole of 20 side 20 mm resting such that its parallel base edges are parallel to the VP. So this is the square prism of having 40 mm, a base edge 40 mm, means you are having a base edge of 40 mm, this one square prism, and axis side is 70 mm with a through square hole of 20 mm side, means you are having a 20 mm, 20 mm, 20 mm square hole. Okay, then resting such that its parallel base edges are parallel to the VP, means its parallel base edges is these edges or these edges should be parallel to the VP. So if you see this square prism from the front, it looks like a rectangle shape like this. That rectangle shape I have drawn here. This is the orthographic view, front view. So from the front view I am seeing this, and this cutout section, it is invisible from the front. So to show the cutout section of 20 mm, the 20 mm distance having a cutout throughout whole of this. So this is the cutout dot line. Then if you see this prism from the top, two square you will see. So that squares I have drawn here. That is of 40 mm and 20 mm of each square respectively, and axis side is of 70 mm. So first we have to draw the orthographic view, then isometric view. So how to draw this? First we have to draw the orthographic view by taking the common reference lines or XY line. Then after to draw this square 40 mm square, so draw a line of 40 mm like this, and from here 40 mm like this, and square of 40 mm is created. In that 20 mm square is also there. So to draw that 20 mm square, I will show, means 20 mm square means this is 20 mm small square side, and this is a 40 mm. So if you minus 40 mm, 40 minus 20, the remaining length will be 20 mm. That 20 mm, this distance will be of 10 mm and 10 mm. So by taking 10 mm I can draw. So by taking this arc like this, from here also, then after taking the arcs with this parallel line, draw a line like this with that arcs you have made, and from here also like this. Here your square has been created, so dark it. Then after you can rub that lines you have drawn inside of that circle, square. After this, you have to draw the projection lines to this XY line from this square ends and this square ends and also from the middle. So drawing the corners, I will get the center of this square like this. I will get the center line. So you have to dark this base of the prism also. Then after, axis height is given as 70 mm. So we have to draw a 70 mm axis line like this. Then the lateral surface is also 70 mm. 70. Then join this line. And the remaining this square is also cutout section. For the cutout section, that is, if you see this square prism from the front, the cutout section is not visible from the front. So to show the cutout section in the front view of 20 mm, so 20 mm cutout is there, so that cutout we have to do it dot lines. So that's why it is done dot line like this. Then show the axis height of the prism. (70 mm) and also the side of the square as 40 mm, and this square side is 20 mm, and this will be the orthographic view of this problem. And now to draw the isometric view, first we have to draw a line and take a dot somewhere else, and on that dot only you have to keep your protractor and take 30-degree angle. From here put a dot, and from here 30-degree angle put a dot. From the 30-degree angle draw a convenient line, how much you want to take, that much, like this and like this. Then after you have to draw this square here. How to draw this? I am going to show you with it on the divider. You measure the distance of the square and draw a line arc here on the 30-degree angle, and this height also will be same. So measure it and draw it like this. Then dark this line. Isometric view is creating. These lines have been made it, and this lateral edges we have to draw, that is 70 mm. So height is 70 mm as given in the question. So 70 mm we have to take. So you can draw this line directly, 70 mm, 70 mm, 70 mm. Then after join these lines. Then after the remaining two lines we have to remove. So adjust 2 minutes after the 30-degree angle. From that end draw a line like this, and with this 30-degree angle draw the line like this. The remaining two lines you will get, dark it. Okay, the remaining lines you can rub it. Then after draw the square in this the cutout section. So to how to draw this square means the same 20 mm all you have to take. So this is 40 mm. This line length is 40 mm. This line is 20 mm. If you remove 20 from this 40 mm, the remaining length will be 20. 20 means this will be 10 mm and this will be 10 mm. So by taking 10 mm distance from each of this line, we can draw the cutout square by taking the arc like this. Arcs from here also you can take, and from here and here. by taking the arcs. Then after you have to join these arcs with this 30-degree angle like this only. So draw the light lines like this, and with this 30-degree angle adjustment here. Your cutout section also has been removed, so darken. The cutout section is also drawn, and the remaining lines you have drawn, you can rub it, or else you can keep it like this only. So the square prism of 40 mm and cutout having 20 mm square, so has been created of the isometric view, and also show the isometric axis height of this square prism, that is of 70 mm. And this is the complete solution of this problem. And oh guys, if you like my videos, please watch my videos till the end and also practice by yourself, then only you come to understand. And please, after watching please share, like and subscribe my channel, and please watch my videos till the end, and also press my YouTube channel bell icon to get you the more notifications of other videos. Thank you.